Question number 3. What is the function of silver lining in a vacuum flask? The answer is the silver lining of the flask reduce heat lost by radiation. Next topic is more about changing state. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas, and matter changes state from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. And for such changes to occur, thermal energy is added or removed from a substance. Let's see what happens when some crushed ice is heated. Take a beaker and place it over the stand. Put small pieces of ice in the beaker and suspend a thermometer in the beaker to measure the temperature of the ice. Now place a burner under the beaker. The ice will start melting. The temperature of the mixture of ice and water will not increase above 0 degrees Celsius until the ice melts and we get water at 0 degrees Celsius. In this water at 0 degrees Celsius is further heated. Its temperature will begin to increase above 0 degrees Celsius. This is a graph of temperature and time showing changing of state of ice into water and steam. There are 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. Now at stage 1 what happens? The ice is at minus 30 degrees Celsius. When heat is applied to this ice, its temperature rises until it reaches 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius is the melting point of the ice. When the temperature of the ice reaches 0 degrees Celsius, the ice water mixture remains at this temperature until all the ice melts and we get water at 0 degrees Celsius. There is no rise in temperature because the heat energy is being used to allow the water molecules to break free from their fixed position in the ice. The solid is turning into liquid. This is stage 3. At this stage, the temperature of the water is rising from 0 degrees Celsius until it reaches at 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of the water. At stage 3, the amount of energy so added is used to increase the temperature of the water. At stage 4, there is no rise in temperature because at 100 degrees Celsius water begins to boil and change into steam. The temperature remains 100 degrees Celsius until all the water changes into steam. The heat energy is being used to allow the water molecules to break free completely. The liquid is changing to gas. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. Describe what happens to particles in a solid when it melts. The answer is on page 4. The topic melting. If a solid is warm, its particles move faster until some break free and become a part of liquid. Again, describe what happens to particles in a liquid when it evaporates. The answer is on page number 4. The topic evaporation. If heat is applied to a liquid, the particles move faster still. At the surface, the faster particles break free to form a gas above it. Question number 2. What happens to ice at 0 degrees Celsius? Answer is ice begins to melt to water, and also at this line the heat energy is being used up to this line. Number 3. What happens to water at 100 degrees Celsius? Its answer is it begins to change into water vapors, and also at this line the heat energy is being used to gas. Explain why the temperature of boiling water does not change no matter how much it is heated. Its answer is the temperature of boiling water does not change no matter how much it is heated because the heat energy is being used to allow water molecules to break free completely. The liquid is changing to a gas.